This is a quick video to show you how to copy a previously used graph into the next used slide, or so that you can continue to build upon activities. It's especially helpful if you have students manipulating a graph over multiple slides. That way you can chunk it and use just one instruction at a time instead of them getting overwhelmed with things to do. So let's open up a graphs page. So what I'm going to do here is actually use a graph that was previously used in one of our presentations. So I've got a graph here, and this particular preview wanted me to create a line that was perpendicular. And so my student moves the line to make it perpendicular. And then what I want to do in my graph is I'm going to add another graphs page, and I want to copy the work that they had so that I can ask them about it. So for example, I had them drag it, and I'm going to say, how can you prove that these lines are perpendicular? Right, so, and there we go. How can I prove that they are perpendicular? And then I'm going to add in a free response question. I'm going to go ahead and let the students see each other's responses because they should all have different graphs. Now, when I get to this graphs page here, I can edit my graph, but what I actually want to do is copy the previous. So if you see these three dots at the top of your edit graph, and it says copy previous. So it said, now that's all I have to do. So just to see that again, I've got my graphs page. I click these three horizontal dots. I click copy previous. So let's see how that looks. Let's preview this as a student. All right, so I'm going to drag my line and make it perpendicular-ish because I'm a kid. And then I go to my next screen and see how it pulled over the work that I had. And now I would need to type in some explanation about how to prove that they are perpendicular. But that gives the kids a chance to think about what's going on. Like, they were able to do this, now can they explain what happened here, giving them a little bit more room. And then you could say something like, we could add in a third screen that says now make the lines parallel. So we're going to make these lines parallel. If I can type. I'm going to copy previous again. Now let's look and see what's happening. So I've got my graph. I can change it. Got my graph. I can change it again. Mine reset because I obviously. Now here, okay, now I've still got that same graph. So now I need to move my lines from parallel or perpendicular to parallel. Well, bam. So those are powerful ways you can use the same graph over and over and let kids think about their work. And that is it.